Hey everybody, I'm here to showcase next month's journaling asset. For the month of May, we'll be doing another side quest, and this side quest will be working on coloring chronicles. So there will be a lot of coloring this month. We'll be doing cubism, Picasso cubism, pixel coloration, and coloring using other things besides color pencils, markers, what have you. So maybe you'll color this in with beads, sand, or something. Also, we'll be doing neurographic coloring and also Charles McGee art. And that includes using repeative patterns in order to make strips to make a particular sculpture. And our other thing we'll be doing is also for our teaser, we'll be doing some surveys and questionnaires. These are reality based surveys and questionnaires that you answer based on how you live your life and all the things that you've experienced with yourself and with other people. With the survey, it has 10 questions and it includes forced ranking for each. And with the survey, the questionnaire, you have 5 questions each regarding the different categories here. So these two here are our teaser prompts just to get you started in doing something for next month. Up next is our inventory, where we're going to list all different things and give full disclosure of particular things. So you're going to be listing all the things that you've left unsaid, such as unexpressed anger, quiet allegiances, or questions you're afraid to ask. These are within these are all the things that you're going to purge out of your system. We never want to keep stuff in. Once we let it out, we'll feel free and lighter, and then you have it in your journal to always go back and look and maybe reflect on later. I set it up like if it's a case where you will be providing testimony, and it has a docket number, a case, and an exhibit number. Basically, it's like you're the defendant giving your testimonial of your experiences in life, all those unsaid things that you need to get out. Now we're going on to our directed exploration. So with the directed exploration, we'll be focusing on epistolary entries. These are personal narratives to deliver or tell a particular message, and we'll be using unconventional formats. Instead of writing a letter or a postcard or sending a telegram, you'll be doing unconventional formats such as missing person report. You're going to tell your story as if you're the missing person and you're stating this to yourself. Also, as an instruction manual. So, for example, with the instruction manual, the subject would be, say, for example, how to care for this human. Then you would list the different steps. So you could have step 1, 2, 3, 4, how many you need in order to explain the subject. As for the missing persons report, you probably could say, for attention, the person reading this. Then you would state your message or any information needed. So you have your missing persons report, your instruction manual, and then you have your public service announcement and your museum exhibit label. These are creative ways in order to speak to yourself. Tell yourself something that you've never told yourself before. Maybe you're missing the fearless version of yourself or a moment of courage. This will help you and able to tell your story how you want it in a cute, unconventional way. And as with all journaling assets, it includes the mini trackers, all three types of mini trackers. So if you find this interesting, you can pick it up on my Ko-fi page, download it, and get to it for next month or whenever you want to do it. So this is the Creative Journaling Asset number 5. It could be used anytime. There's a freebie version and a premium version that you could pick up. This is part of the premium version. The freebie includes the side quests, which is the coloring chronicles. Once you pick up the freebie, you'll have the newsletter, which details everything that's included in that particular kit. So go and grab that journaling kit and maybe the previous kits as well if you missed out in getting those, or last year's kit, all available on my Ko-fi page. That is all for now, and I'll see you on the flip side.